Why is everyone talking about penetration testing? The main reason is penetration tests are crucial to your business's security. You'll be able to learn how to handle any type of break-in from a malicious entity. There's also been a 13% increase in ransomware breaches, which is more than in the last 5 years combined. Hackers can penetrate at least 93% of company networks. This means your digital infrastructure is more vulnerable than you think it is. With the growing trend of cyber attacks in the last few years, it is essential that organizations are aware of this threat and can identify vulnerabilities in their systems. This is where penetration testing can come to your rescue. You may come across hundreds of companies who'd claim to offer you the best pen testing service. However, exceptional service is only provided by the ones who keep in mind the evolving threats. RSK Cybersecurity is one such company you can rely on. For more information, visit us at rsk-cyber-security.com.